By default, Mars electric heated air curtains will only run their heating elements when the door is open. This is because the main purpose of heat in an air curtain is to reduce the wind chill effect of blowing cold air over the people walking through the door. If you also want to use a heated air curtain as a space heater, that is, run the heat whenever the temperature falls below the thermostat set point, even if the door is closed, an additional option must be specified at the time of order. The Mars Heat on Demand option adds additional control components to allow either the door switch or the thermostat to trigger the fan and the heat to run. For an existing unit that was not ordered with the Heat on Demand function, there is no straightforward way to get the same functionality as the factory-wired Heat on Demand option. But you can get something similar very easily and without voiding the unit warranty. On the low-voltage terminal strip, by simply moving one of the door switch wires from the second SW terminal to the G terminal, and by moving the thermostat's R wire from the R terminal to the first SW terminal, you can enable summer and winter modes. Winter mode is enabled by setting the thermostat's fan switch to auto and the heat switch to on. Now the fan and the heat will both run when either the door opens or the thermostat calls for heat. For summer mode, set the fan to on and the heat to off. Now the heat is disabled and the fan will run only when the door opens. For the LPV2, QP8, and PH8 series, there is no low-voltage terminal strip. It is replaced by labeled wires in the unit's internal junction box, accessible from the top of the unit. Simply substitute the labeled terminals in this wiring diagram with the corresponding labeled wires.